Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard with an image on this Xiaomi. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now choose Additional Settings, Languages and Input, Manage Keywords and Settings. Over here click on Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. After that, tap on Apply. So now when I go back and try to access my keyword, I can see the theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!